Enti wo se Sarkodie crash no want me anka nche ne da no de kware.
Oh, that be me who no now I worry da. Just I like the way he is. The way he see gentle, quiet, like
to kaso be waro kra kan you know be anka be pene.
Papa.
Oh,
you're cool guy like me. The way we see you cool, gentle, quiet.
Oh
yeah, the no matter 2 years now. So be worry me now. In your mind, 2 years now. Me share na be boy. Why not?
Nje obetimi ato aware mienu so.
Sarkodie nko a. Mato so awie.
What you be free mo? How? Emema. Unse mema de penufo. Atata be na wuhia.
Baby.
Me matter
to okra wo tata me.
Oh, neno so aka.
O say.
Neno so aka.
For example.
Ndiara neno so beka.
Say me example.
And apart from me am tata, or who be on tata because it's what din.
Baby, where number 1?
We say what din. Asa my two tata no. Yes. Into some more or say bebre, into mo bi nka ho.
Oh, me body baby.
Na ni trouble me
radio presenters na now go interview. Sometimes some friend
Ola Unye. Ola Unye. Hey.
Che.
Masman Ola Ola diwa.
Adola why are they? Pamela.
Mark
Ola why they? They be saying you can also Ola.
Ola almost one is on message me.
Mark
Oye Beifo.
Ola Beifo. Beifo saying, "O can dia grant?"
Beifo say, I say, see. Wabu bi ato wono. Asi nipa we metan no. Na ma bona to se one day minya na me di me baye nyina beku ni so. Ade na timi hwe menu ka chem se me se porn star.
Eno asa che sen.
Akwati tia ni timi hwe menu.
Ola ni akwati tia.
No nyi tia, ola otia. Ola otia bebre. Etimi hwe sandals, e hwe t-shirt ni na si favorite na studio. E ka chem me amadware aba studio se me se porn star.
We are going too far. Ola na si file.
Aye nyina sorry fi single room. E be ka chem me se me se porn star. No come here na me ko na me hwe ni na ase no. O ka che obi baba ya so se porn star. Abra hu se market ponda. Ntim ga nsi mi real ma me hwe won samore. E na me hwe video bi aba. Wo se porn star na ma free sales na dey. Wo twa ntro meeting me dey wo be act. Wo ye ntro for me hwe woni ase na wo se porn star.
No ye bi da.
Mama, nti na ese mu bisa ma ye bi da.
Na no kan sa asem na how no on fan
tie at that moment no me I say e ba prekope na me nye ready for that se minim se be studio ama na ka chem se be constant ka me so me boa me ho na ma ye dey maba e se me mini ho adwembo ni bia me nya ma anyi se me ba studio me bedi watem nti se me bu na se me ba studio na me no to na hwe me ka chem se me constant. At that moment na me sorry den e koi ntu timi kan obi ababa ya se was supposed
ho na university 7 ko mu no
e ko mu no
na no se Ghana for so twa ntro na me pese me kan sa asem no kra
o betimi aka
almost wo twa ntro se wo ko sa university
na wo ko hobi
me nko bi
nti e di na hu se mi twa ntro sa wo nko hobi
sa wo mo no na eka
wo se
mi tie kwase abwaje
me ma hu ni se si a you know me can say radio station anytime I'm person mu ye bibia e betwe hype among station ntino omokotena city omokotena ase na omo yes abaya ye oba ne dey begu nanim ase
and
sana me hu e beye nte e beye oh me somewhere no me say me dwen me at the first time me dwen hu for the second me say I think say all the omo ye ni nyina they just want some you know hype for their program and something because in Kenya hype obi an hu fi I mean in other single entim be kan chem say Mr. Porn star
because asem we chiro so obetimi aka
so what I say
boy no hoye bema
obi an hu fi entim she sandals ah ema minini na ye fa tro metan first station kan chem say Mr. Porn star abra porn star na wo kalo one direct me da
uko to studio so
Pamela oni nti am person go to aso ne say Sasa no ensi e wo yes studio.
O share many not me to same sister to me chen ya. Udi o share many say ya. O mama me kasa you no hwe manim. O na ase say do. Udi marketing pa. Udi so be nyina na me hwe won samore. one hour ye video what you nyina we nim say porn star
there be so no video director into
okan so tu nya we nim say porn star one hour ye video wo say nya wa enya wa ye hwan na wo ye unim acting pa what memo acting no can
and so be more acting as any adwuma no pama
see o di me ho fe wa na say adwuma no pama me
ho fe wo ni pa na there be into the when anye ho a ese nka afa
many anje ho say into wa ka some kro wa ense se me ni better studio na nya ono
wo ya me ana wo yo
Pamela utie
no can
utie Sasa mnenti ya mpeso
no ka o shame mani ka nsa me me porn star how do you mean say me porn star what na direct porn no
me ba o enti o de e say wono la no ni ha ye trash and sabeka but we no me pesa atem de kura be kom because
me di na teba no insan we we di matem
na when na tem
wo I say we koshinia say satam na tension na da me so na ye too much say me de ba jinse me de be do obi atem as obi abo wat was so ba obeka na adwan acho na finally we nya into me satam na ye omo platform omo platform o my de o manya a obi ade keka na adwan de achem ti satam sa atem didi na me ni ombe yi na nyamba ma yi so as wapo wat was so ba make say ni say ya de achre no wo hwe mani ase ka yem say Mr. Pornstar say wo hu video bi e ko viral me ai na me oba ye ma hwe won samoria
no mo yipo no ana
entina osusu say sasem no ka chere na how enka o apologize na
apologize ba me hu ni so oni nyansa in some way
too much
ma me ka je so
no
see
okay yemfiro na afia me
ka attack me that dey mo frame for interview but that particular guy no or attack me
your personality
or attack me that very day me drew fear no one kanya obi ane na kuma that very day
enya Peace FM so anko bi animu
see obi ani madaba you don't have to attack me more am for hu me or attack me
because baby
I'm hu baby answer no friend
see
I'm hu baby I'm hu baby I'm hu Pamela baby my friend
no friend wa interview untina friend
that's right
say my better no aka so what here what's a porn star we say bi we are showing ya one friend me interview one friend me interview friend me so ba attack me a porn star me a deal radio so na ba beka
but so no attack no near the host of the show
intiade no so friend me porn star na host no kra tinchen na wo tinchen ya fro say bra be bibi na pe bibi di no wo be friend me say me ayi porn star
obi a utwapo no
me twapo no
wo say obi a utwapo no
sa na o ka kire me
all right o de yemfa no ni so yensaka ola ye be hwese
Ola. Oh yeah, we both asia.
Yensaka na.
Fa me nya no
ka we de ka me nya no pa. Me nya o da pa because ye pass
Mr. Pornstar. Me hu ne hu no mani.
I mean it's serious.
One video ko viral. O ka chem Mr. Pornstar.
Once ya o ka bibia na yesusu se eya asem ya hye ya o ka che Ola nti no. Yeah, we say na kasa. O say on comment wo.
On comment but say the make nyanyo dey no kro. O ka chem Mr. Pornstar. Ono ani team no on down no di hu meni so obi ababa ya no ba studio. Na wo ka chem so Pornstar just wonya privilege nti no. Wo keka wakoma mu nsem de a kire no.
To ogu oni mase.
Ogu meni mase totally. Ogum the presenter no crump of akwesi abachi kro frame of phones one or one say member kono kra na keka nkanya me aba ono otinche e man opportunity no e na onya akwan keka na adwin chem say Mr. Pornstar minim se wo humo X video se Pornhub se mi hu ba bi wo
X videos so some ta ko
bi hu Pornhub din because obi o Pornhub o se o pa
wo dey abeto so
me hu
wo ja ho na video ni e twa ya na
minim se ye wo me se o se wo man ka se ye wo
ba sa kwa na me tai no mi do nya me sa Ola Micheal no
papa isu se wono so ahu
sa Ola Micheal no
but that one was it
mama bi to say me shoot na one me shoot no
Ola Micheal
mo Peace FM na
Pamela
me do nya Ola Micheal no
me ba sa
that very day the Ola Micheal dey hear me no one o ma me to say wan hwa me nkuna mekunu because the whole time wo me mu tie the whole time wo me me
what's a sanka okay what's a sanka
okay
and say that way dey no ye na this asa wa bom ya to Ola Micheal na asa wa bom ya to ho that way dey no it be buy na no nya no keka na adwin yi na kum keka na kum asem asa wa bom ma to
I saw no she wasn't having any sexual intercourse with any man oyo no kan no ye na nipa ko amemu ye no nipa ko na no masturbate on in Diago. That's what I saw. Jesus. But then you say anka nipa ko no.
Where Pamela wants me masturbate.
Because on behalf of my listeners, and 70 people and 70 people no she because I know and on behalf of my listeners, I apologize. Very sorry. And no. I'm on behalf of the show. Yes, as a host, because maybe my mom ho kwan, and I can be at home from home. And until me so make us ask seven. It is all apologize to Ola de. A honor your Ola a business, but the respect listeners have for us, no. And the show no ntina can say eba mpofrim because your friend says ebo me do bi atemo ha and we be do bi ate e ono epem no beka so obepa echew but me as a host e was say me ginam e ka say me krampo ma anye ne ye say asem ne ba mpofrim ma ntimi nyina mfirim enti ho no de ho asi a kire obeko na one Ola akọ settle mo differences they are fine but me to me share ne sisi a ya ka so won pa ho che no so won to me eno so nche say as a host meja me listeners so sa ense won kasa asem ne to ho anti asem bi safo atumi ko bi asem bi pono eno no eba ba wura mu enkomo no ne yedi a na de ye be koso a na yedi enkomo de na yi ba ko na firim Prince
Mike 2, honestly, me person made my voice adding Mike 2 say, in fact, Obi Kasa win him your
that's right.
Until sometimes it takes you by surprise.
That's right.
For move and chain, and yeah, your fault cry. Obi Ebufu, Obi Kun, out there fini baby, and out there Baha, out there by high.
And you know, soon to say your friend,
by Mukeke.
That's right.
For your Pamuchopa.
I'm the entire friend, my cry, I'm a movie beer. Movie ntokwa bebre ya tenase tenase
o so do pa wan fo bu ama ye nyina okay
Pamela himself also akoko pa o me 2019 my first prize is me cry na ma je
that guy Ola no 2019 to experience what I'm saying ogumani must that day no one come yira do akada moment me yira ai o aso o shede so o pese ge we oba me gu nanim ase ogumani must me do fi me su be hours ne ho ya o say me mu no that guy no
we're in a different platform. Why? What I could say.
I can tell she's
very emotional.
But your emotions are emotions Bemusana and your mouth to me to see into from Fanchain. And say, also she's under trauma.
Exactly.
So sometimes you share and I share how so. She's also under pressure.
Either way.
Okay, and when you saw Abase, so Lanzo, so assembly so Asama. You already know. Assemble so ya semwa ono so say ha no ola so ba ha enti no no so emeka say obi amekan so say how they are
waka
because oni pa kasa asem ha na they are
no so be gumenima and I share one somewhere one wo video
ya kono ne council trot ne nkomo council say wuti owo New York council na to say
boko man na mo to say
erade adom ya ho ya pa
bibia de India
bibia fine
Dedi kai say na ina yiti o kama na say Pamela ne buanye fusa no so lanso aba studio ho but it's better for you to trash issues but I think that the wrong words Pamela used to no she has to retract it and then she leaves the studio until you settle what it's supposed to do because a jumana aye no wa umbrati ni media ye nyina ye ka no kra obi antu fa ne koko enye de so ye ma cho to ma say right I think say once Pamela cannot manage herself Olaba and I'm very happy to say Olaba you know whatever Pamela was saying you know it could have been better say Mumba Olaka waka say no can only you don't come on air and come and use such lewd language. Pamela must retract and apologize and leave the studio. Well, she has to retract, apologize, and leave the studio. Because they don't change the call. Meaning they are in the because when she came back, she's still not doing anything. So, for us to feel that the best thing has been done so that the topic can never discuss, you never follow you. Pamela should retract the insults she said and leave the studio. But if you let her sit there, it doesn't make any holy sense for those of us who are listening and those who are watching. Because Olake, I thought so Olaba, or they can't ask their clarity. Mike, me too.
Me too.
So I think the best thing is say, yeah, Mike.
Yeah.
I said, Mike too.
Yes, sir.
Mike too.
Yes, sir.
And say, remember, say, as I'm talking to you via telephone, those of us who are here, we are watching you live on Facebook. So whatever you are doing is live. Whatever she is doing is live. So those who are watching are still typing, and the comment is not helping.
Okay. Senator, you phone see answer na. You better about on champion why? You better about on champion. Facha me na. You phone see na. You go so. Yes, that's all things.
Yes, hello. Mike too. Time councillor war no. Na me no enso still. Yeah, nya tete. Very necessary because on one case we emotional. Until be emotional. Sometimes omunti ase a bit difficult.
Until say
emotions to cool it down. But then me say she say house we soon we no. Me sure say she's going at least who say something to me soon we you calm down. Until me sure say at this stage you know Pamela would have something to tell us.
Pamela. Yes. Na me nya sakra na ya asemi amu me huna man. E be trouble me say
oh me go fa king angasa na me dey ba.
King asemi Pamela Batogana
pacho.
You say me I think so where's na me isu yen it was very bad on this particular platform. Nipa na me no why say I shouldn't have used that word on this platform. No say on for that person. Inti etiefo nyina amfa nche me say maka hash with be a enye appropriate omo fa nche me.
Yeah, that's super. But you say Ghana for so the better was say bibi abeya ususu say enye no. Why are they what?
Why mama bu pa because